This is a money-making article. Is this a money-making article? Watch it make money. It is an article about writing an article that makes money. Once I have written it, I will then give away the article. Maybe it seems like one of the more unusual ways to make money, but it is right in line with the way the internet works. Creating a money-making article. 1. First you have to write a title that catches attention and has the right keywords in it. This has the keyword phrase, money-making article, and apparently caught your attention. Make the title relevant to the article content, of course, or the reader will feel tricked and may stop reading. 2. Have a short description that pulls the reader in. You might use the first couple sentences of the article for this. Tell the readers what they will find in the article, and leave them curious. You read this far, so that seems to be working. 3. Have useful information or good stories. It is even better if you have both. 4. Put the keywords in the body of the article and in subheadings so search engines can find your article. Note that I used money-making article in the subheading above, and I just used it again. 5. Create an author's resource box that makes the reader want to visit your site. Talk very little about yourself and more about why the reader should go to your website. I'll be watching to see how well mine works in this case. Be sure the link to your website works. 6. Make money from visitors to your site. You could be selling your own products, or getting a commission for selling other people's products, or just be getting paid for the advertising there. 7. Submit your article to the best article directories on the web. This is where you give away your articles. Directory visitors read them there, and other website owners take them and use them. Generally, they can't change a word in your article, and they have to make that link to your site, in the author's resource box, active. This is how you get traffic to your website. 8. Let the readers learn something, but let them know there is more. This gets them to your site to learn more. For example, I outlined the basic process above, but I'm leaving out the list of the best article directories to submit to. Of course, in the resource box I will mention that it is on my website. This is how you create a money-making article.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.